Hey there, I'm Brixter, and welcome to 10 Bricks a Day, where each day I share how to build a brand new Lego model using only 10 Lego pieces. Alright, so continuing our week of construction equipment, today's model here is a jackhammer. So we've got this cylinder here, Technic connector piece with this. It's actually part of a click joint, but it looks really nice as the tip of the jackhammer. Then we have a 1x1 round piece that just slips on there. We have a bar that slips through this all and allows us to attach this 1x1 brick with studs on all four sides. Then we've got a couple of these clip pieces, and one of these nice grate pieces gives it a bit of color in this lime green. And finally, we've got our two handles, which are just a couple more 1x1 cylindrical bricks. So there is our finished jackhammer. Please let me know what you guys think about this down in the comments below. Please remember to leave a like below. Thanks so much, and I will see you guys again tomorrow.